Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the Google Chrome security updates of the week have arrived late yesterday, October 1st, and are rolling out today, October 2nd, to most of you. And of course, the way to know if you're up to date is to go and check the version number if you want, but normally it should update by itself if you don't do anything. So if you go in Chrome, go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. You will be pushed to version 129.0.6668.89 or 90, depending on Linux, Mac, or Windows. Fixes 4 security flaws, and they are high severity, so it's really important to fix them. Notable that V8, the scripting engine within Google Chrome, is again updated for a security flaw. It's just incredible that V8 engine has been pretty much targeted every single week. I'd be curious to go back and see when's the last time nothing was updated on that scripting engine for security. Seems a lot of flaws in there, and it's the dangerous part of it because it is capable of course, executing commands. So for high severity flaws, of course, if you are using a Chromium browser, Brave, Edge, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, everything except Firefox finally, you should check for your security updates. That should come within the next hours to days. Actually, there was one thing that I wanted to check out that I found interesting. I'd like to do a little survey by kind of checking out which browsers are the fastest to fix security flaws from the Chromium engine. It'd be kind of interesting. Maybe if you guys are on Brave or Opera or a Chromium browser, you could post in the comments below as soon as you see there's an update for Chromium, see which ones are faster. I find sometimes that Edge on Microsoft is a little slow, especially when they're high severity or critical. It could take several days, and that means that technically those browsers are vulnerable between that time that Chrome fixed everything. So it'd be kind of interesting to see, are some faster than others at fixing the bugs in their browsers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and do update. It's the #1 way to stay secure on your web browser.